So today what I'm going to start with is taking the vacuum pump apart and showing you kind of where the components that we have that we're going to be changing out. So what I've done is here on the vacuum pump, I've already taken out all four of each, the screws on each of the caps, 8 screws in total. There are also two screws here on the top cap. This top cap will show you where the mini check valves are located underneath the cap. There's a mini check valve that has to be replaced during these PM services. There will be also a mini check valve on the underside as well as the big diaphragm on the vacuum pump. So I'll flip it over and show you what we have. When you flip over the vacuum pump caps, you also have 2 additional mini check valve or mini diaphragms here that have to be changed as well. Inside the kit, you will have your new diaphragm plate, and the screw to replace it with. Don't put the original screws back in it. We want to leave those out. Always put the new screws, that way it gives it a nice good seal.
If you have any questions about Enbio S maintenance or anything else, please give us a call at 704-966-1650, option 3 for our free tech support line. And please don't forget to like and subscribe.